I'm gonna show you how to get a natural makeup look, but still being able to cover dark circles, redness, things that you need full coverage for, but you still wanna look natural. So for me, my biggest insecurity is my under eyes and my cheeks. I'm going to put, this is my color corrector. This is 03. This is a demi color from Saint. I am trained in color matching, so if you want to be color matched to any of the products that I am using, fill out my free color match form and I'll help you guys get started. So I'm just going to apply this with my finger and it's going to cancel out that blue that I have under my eyes. So I want to cover up the redness in my cheeks. So I'm just going to take a little bit of my highlight color. This color is Amber. I have a lot of redness on my nose, so I'm just applying this with my finger because I can control how much product I'm using. Okay, I have a little redness on my chin, so I just want to tap. A little bit of redness on my eyelids. And I'm just going to place a little bit of bronzer or contour. This is Indigo Contour. Then I'm just going to take my brush and then start blending the lighter parts first. And then kind of like whatever is left over on my brush, just bring to these areas, like my jawline, a little bit of my forehead, and just kind of push this in with my brush. And then we're going to blend that contour or bronzer. Bringing it down my neck. A little bit of blush, and I'm just gonna keep it higher up. And then tap with my brush, keeping it high, and just tapping it in. And use that same bronzer that you used just on the outer corners, and then just blend it. Take your sponge and just lightly press everything in and take off any excess product. Setting my under eyes and my eyelids. Curl my lashes, some gloss, and there you go.